For today, if you're training, you're not going to be learning from me specifically. You're going to put some of what you've learned to the test in your first quiz. So you should be able to refer to each previous lesson in this series to figure out how to do each section. This is what you're going to be building. A very, very simple website, but it'll test your knowledge of some of the HTML elements that we've learned here. So I'm not going to give you any hints here. Your job is to rebuild this from scratch in your own editor without seeing my source code first. But I'll give you a couple tips here. When creating your own website and deciding what elements to use, it's helpful to describe what each section is. So for example, we have our body, which is this whole window here, and it looks like it has a different background color. And then we have a top level heading here, and then we have just a little bit that describes our website, a paragraph, and then we have a list of some things that I enjoy, and then we have a subheading here of some quotes with just some gibberish quotes here. And it looks like within our quote, they're styled just a little bit differently. It looks like the text is centered and there's a border around our quote. So that's your job here. If you need to refer to a previous lesson, do so. But by tomorrow, you'll want to make sure that you have created this on your own. So get started.